Hi students, today we are going to solve this problem where we have the parabola equation y square is equal to 8x, and we also have circle equation, and we have to find out a point on the parabola so that the distance between circle and parabola will be minimum. So we have two equations here. One is y square is equal to 8x, and another equation is circle equation, which is x square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to 1. And from the parabola, the general equation is y square is equal to 4x. When we compare these both equations, we get 4a is equal to 8, and which gives a equal to 2. And from circle equation, we can get the center point, which is 0 comma minus 1, and radius is equal to 1. And there is a condition like any point on the parabola should satisfy this condition, like that is 80 square comma 280. So if you substitute a value in this p, then we can get p of 2t square comma 4t. So let's calculate the distance between the center of the circle to the point on a parabola, which gives cp square is equal to 2t square minus 0 whole square plus 40 plus 6 whole square. And if we solve this, we can get 40 power 4 plus 16 square plus 48t plus 36, and this can further written as 4 of t power 4 plus 50 square plus 12t plus 9. And now we have to find the t value so that this entire function will be minimum. And now we have this equation, and I'm let x is equal to t power 4 plus 4t square plus 12t plus 9, and we have to, in order to find out the minimum value of the function, uh, we have to differentiate. So for that purpose, I'm differentiating x with respect to t, so I'm getting 4t cube plus 8t plus 12. So I have to equal this dx by dt to 0 in order to get the t value. So I'm writing this equation dx by dt equal to 0, which gives me 40 cube plus 8t plus 12 equal to 0, and this can also be written as t cube plus 2t plus 3 equal to 0. Now this is a cubic equation, and now we have to find out the roots of this cubic equation. So let's assume that t equal to minus 1. So you can take any value, like you can experiment with 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, these things, and I'm substituting t equal to minus 1, and if I'm just checking if t equal to minus 1 satisfies this equation or not. So I'm just checking minus 1 of cube of 3 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 equal to 0, which actually satisfies the condition. So I'm I'm concluding that t equal to minus 1 is the root of the above equation. T is the root. So which means that t plus 1 is actually a root of t cube plus 2t plus 3. So here, in order to find out the other roots, we can divide this t plus 1 with this value t cube plus this expression, and if you divide this polynomial equation with the t plus 1, we can get the other factors, q plus t square, which actually I'm minusing this, which gives me minus t square plus 2t plus 3 dividing with minus t into t minus t square and minus t plus 0, and after minusing this one, we get 3t plus 3, and which is plus 1, 3t plus 3, which is 0. That means t square, this entire equation, t square minus t plus 1 is also a root of this equation, but this root gives us imaginary roots. So for that purpose, I'm concluding that t equal to minus 1 is only the real root. So after that, I need to check at this t equal to minus 1 whether the function is a maximum or not. For that purpose, I'm further differentiating the x value. So I am further differentiating. So d square x by dt square, which is equal to d by dt of dx by dt, and I am need to calculating this function at t equal to minus 1. So we have dx by dt, which is equal to 4t cube plus 8t plus 12, which we solved before, and after differentiating this, I am getting 12t square plus 8, and if you substitute t equal to minus 1 in this equation, we are getting a 20, which is greater than 0. That means the function t at t equal to minus 1, the function which is cp square equal to 4 into x is minimum So substitute the t equal to minus 1 in a point which we have previously discussed, 2t square comma 4t gives us p of 2 of minus 1 whole square comma 4 of minus 1, which actually returns us a 2 comma minus 4. So the correct option is 1. And we can also solve this kind of problem in a easy manner, which saves us time. So we have the parabola, which is like this. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So the equation y square is equal to 8x is in the form of like this, and the center of the circle is minus 6, 0 comma minus 6, which gives us here, and the radius of 1, which gives the center here. So we have to find out a point on the parabola, so which is the minimum distance between the circle, like this. We have to find out the minimum point. So for that purpose, we can easily say that the point is in quadrant 4, okay, which is in the form of x comma minus y. So if you observe the options, there is only this option which satisfies this condition, so we can easily opt that one. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand the solution. Thank you.